We have the Crown Zenith, the Galarian bird tins. I think this is my favorite. There's a lot of energy going on, the perspective there too, the style of it. It's very stylized. I think it might be my favorite. And, hey, Rotom V, okay. Nice. Energy retrieval, and... Ooh! Ooh, we got the Radiant Charizard. Nice. Oh, sweet, that's cool. And Rotom V-Star. All right. Yeah. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, Leafeon V-Star. Baltoy, come on. Ooh, Manaphy. Nice. Ah, Versal, Lycanroc, and... Hey, Rayquaza V. All right, neat. I want to know how you guys are doing. Skrelp, and... Ooh, Dunsparce. Look at the Dunsparce. Bidoof for Versal, and... Ooh! Ooh, wait, yes. And... We are... I already have this, but I'm happy with it. Okay.